going to program the remote control to operate your TV's volume control. To begin, we want to make sure that the volume is turned up all the way on the set-top box. To do that, press the STB button and then press the volume up, and you'll notice that the volume is going up on the TV. And 25 is the maximum level. So once you hit 25, to set it to use the TV, press and hold setup. You'll notice the light blinks. Press the volume up button and then press TV. And I always press OK just to make sure. So we notice now when we go to control the volume, we're now controlling the volume with the TV.